Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you jumpstart your Ford Transit Custom. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral before proceeding. Position the donor vehicle close enough to your Transit Custom so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jump start. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, take the red positive cable and attach one end to the positive terminal of your dead Transit Custom battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, attach the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, connect the remaining black negative end to an unpainted metal surface on your Transit Custom, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to bring your Transit Custom back to life. Start the donor vehicle and allow its engine to run for several minutes, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, to build up a charge. After this period, attempt to start your Ford Transit Custom. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes, around 2 to 3 minutes, and try again. Do not crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time. Once your Transit Custom is running, it's crucial to disconnect the cables safely and in the correct order. First, remove the black negative cable from your Transit Custom's metal surface. Next, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor battery. Then, remove the red positive cable from the donor battery. Finally, disconnect the red positive cable from your Transit Custom's battery. Drive your Transit Custom for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.